Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. It's late January 2017 and we've been given the treat of seeing the preserved diesel railbus at Oxenhope station on the Keighley and Worth Valley Railway. As a heritage railway, the KWVR preserves all manner of steam and diesel trains. One of the most iconic little trains is a diesel railbus. This is one of our favourite diesel units. It's a great little train with low operating costs. This makes it ideal for carrying small numbers of passengers on the quieter periods on this railway. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button and give our video a quick like. It would be great if you could tickle the subscription bell as well, as this really helps our channel. Thanks for watching.